Hello everyone, we are solving problem number 746, min cost climbing stairs. So we have given an cost array which is representing the cost of ith step on a staircase. So that means if we step on the 0th index, so we need to pay that cost of I, that is 10 rupees. And let's say if we stepped on the first index, then we need to pay 15 rupees for stepping on that staircase. So like this we need to find minimum cost we needed to reach the top. Okay, so let's take this example. Okay, so let's pause to pay. Okay, so suppose we have stepped on 0th index, so we need to pay 10 plus, then we decided to go on the last staircase directly, as we can either climb 0 or let's say 1 or 2 steps at a time. So let's say we stepped 2 steps ahead and we go to last index, then we have reached the top, and the cost we need to pay in this case is 30 rupees. But let's take another case. Suppose we started from first index, as they have allowed us to do that. Either we can start from 0 or 1. Okay, so let us start from 15, that is first index, and then suppose we step 2 steps ahead, that is we can reach top with just using one step. So in this case it is going to be 15 plus 0, so our cost to pay is 15, and this is the minimum cost we can get in this example test case. So we will solve this example. So for that, let's make length variable cost dot length. So we will use dp to store the values, and the meaning we are going to assign dp is dp of I is going to store minimum cost to reach ith index. Okay, so this is the meaning we are assigning, and there is only one changing variable, so dp is gonna be 1d array. So let's start. Let's make one dp equal to new int length. Okay, and let's traverse through our array from 0 to length I plus plus. So what we can do is we will just check the current price, or before that I will just assign first two values directly, as they have given us a choice. So let's assign cost of 0, and dp of 1 is gonna be cost of 1, as we can directly step on 0th or first index. Okay, so from 0, here we will travel from second index, as first two values are known to us. So we will just say dp of I is gonna be what, minimum of previous 2 steps. So let's say dp of I minus 1 and dp of I minus 2, and the price of current stair, so it is gonna be cost of I. Okay, so we have taken minimum as suppose we want to reach at 20, so we will check now that from which of the previous 2 steps we are getting minimum cost. Suppose we are getting minimum from 10, so we will prefer 10 over 15. So that's what we are doing, and we need to pay the cost of current staircase as well, so that's why we are adding that cost in the end. So we will just return. Here we can't directly return the last index, as we have choice to jump from second last index as well. So in this case we will return mat.min of dp of len minus 1 and dp of len minus 2. Okay, okay, let's try to run this code. Okay, is something wrong? So let's check it. Okay, it should be I minus 2. Okay, okay, let's try to submit it. Yeah, thank you, and it's pretty much faster.